email marketing service is good? So this video is very again very important right now, because people have this particular question that Shivai, which email marketing service is good? See, one thing which you need to understand: every email marketing services like Aweber, you can say Get Response, Mailchimp, ConvertKit. These are the service provider of email. They have their different set of features and benefit, right? So you cannot say which is good, but I can tell you which one services so many people are using right now more than anybody else. I think ConvertKit is something which so many people are using because of their accessibility and because of their features and benefit, right? People used to get a lot of features with the same amount of money which they are not able to get with anybody, right? Yes, if you talk about Mailchimp, I understand, till the time of, I think, for free version, Mailchimp is good because Mailchimp give you more free options, to handle your email marketing list than anybody else. But when it comes to spending the money and getting the service from this particular email service provider, I think ConvertKit is something which you need to look upon. ConvertKit is very great when it comes to sending the thing, preparing every single thing, doing automatic, and doing autoresponder, and to having more templates and so many other things. So that's why ConvertKit is something which we need to be very serious about. ConvertKit is going to completely give you more feature and benefit on the same money than the another email marketing service provider. So, and I'm not going to tell you ConvertKit is going to good, but what you need to understand, you need to do your research. As per me, ConvertKit is good, but you need to do your research and to find out whether Mailchimp is going to be good for you, maybe HubSpot, or maybe Get Response, Aweber, which one is good for you. So you need to find out by yourself. But yes, ConvertKit, for me, it's going to be good for me.